What we love so much about Adrian, really, he thinks so much outside the box.
You know, it was almost condemned, this house. They couldn't rent it out.
They said, you're going to knock it down, aren't you?
Yeah, we had friends who
"Um."
came round and they were going, oh great, so you bought a knockdown.
This was a laundry. So this actually came all the way out and blocked this room up. So what we want to do was open up the space.
We had never used a designer before, and it makes such a difference, I have to say. That small outlay of money makes people a lot of money.
We have done a few renovations ourselves, we've been DIYers, we've done a few flips, but when we hired Adrian, he really broke it all down and changed the way we saw things.
We had this funny little strip of land at the side of the house that wasn't doing anything. We had an awkward entrance at the other side of the house that was taking up space. It just wasn't working. It was a hard way to get in the house. So he said, look, why don't we just flip the kitchen over this side, make the entrance come from this door here. We'll use the dead space on that side of the house and create a nice big entrance that looks out straight to the pool, and it creates more of a flow.
Because we were going to have the kitchen on that side, and that's what we were kind of set on. And then Adrian he came in and he flipped it all around, and he's like, why would you have it there? You could have it here. You're going to create much better flow on that side, and you've got potential to do a further renovation and put a master suite upstairs down the track if you want to, but if you put the kitchen there, you'll never be able to do that. So now we've got this open plan living, we've got outdoor space out there, it flows through here and it goes right through to the backyard, and it's just the perfect open plan flow that Adrian's created. So we're so thrilled with it, and everyone that comes over loves it. They're like, wow, look at this. My absolute favourite thing with the house that wouldn't have been there without Adrian's idea is our front balcony. Adrian's design with the high ceilings that extend way out past the deck, that's where we spend most of our time, and we just love it.
I think, you know, in the age of property reality shows, I think everyone thinks they're a designer and they want to go on the block and they can do it. And you know, some people can, and that's a real gift. But it's just having that third eye in there, the designer going, that's great guys. And it wasn't like, this is my design, you guys are out of it. We had input, which was great as well.
He was really good at kind of like, you know, looking at the boxes, looking at the squares on paper and going, what about if you move this, what about if you shift that, or you could have that, you could walk through there, that would solve that problem. And he was a real problem solver at working out the space. If you have a look at the granny flat that we've created downstairs, that's only 45 square meters, because it feels really big and open and spacious, but it is a very small space. Adrian is vivacious, full of energy, passionate. He loves talking about design.
Very creative, he's very perceptive, which is great.
He loves what he does, and his passion for what he does really makes it a joy working with him to help create your dream home.